Did you know the biggest cash heist in American history was solved by the robbers killing each other? December 1978, JFK Airport, $5.8 million sitting in a Lufthansa cargo vault. Jimmy Burke's crew had inside help. A cargo worker gave them everything: shift schedules, security codes, vault locations. The plan was flawless. Fake IDs, perfect disguises, split-second timing during the shift change. They walked in like they owned the place, tied up the guards, cracked the vault, loaded trucks with more cash than anyone had ever stolen. But Burke got paranoid. He started killing his own crew, one by one. Anyone who knew about the heist had to die. Henry Hill watched his friends disappear. He knew he was next, so Hill did the unthinkable. He became an FBI informant. His testimony brought down Burke's entire operation. The case inspired Goodfellas. Burke died behind bars. Most of the money vanished forever. The perfect heist destroyed by the one thing Burke couldn't plan for: his own paranoia.